What's up? It is my boy Dronon's birthday, and you guys know every year for his birthday and for mine, we get together and we absolutely let her rip tater chip. So I'm bringing the grill. I gotta go down and get some ice for the cooler, some waters. I got some friends meeting up to all get together and fly. Got the 5-inch out, got the 3-inch out, got a battery charger. We're gonna go absolutely rip chip. So I gotta run down, grab some waters for the cooler. Got the grill, I already bought hot dogs, brats, all that good stuff, steaks. We're gonna do it. When we do it for our friends, we do it big, man. Don't be a bitch, always treat your friends right. Promise you. Promise you. Yeah. Everybody's coming. We got Ryan over here.
Shout out.
Happy birthday to the man.
What's up?
Dronon YouTube channel.
Yeah, man.
Alex, HD boy,
How you doing?
over here. Hey, check him out on the tube. And of course, the Tweak Monster. Tech Tweaker Clinton on YouTube. Check him out. We're getting ready to light the grill and fly some drones. That's what we're gonna do. Should be fun.
Yeah,
See you in a bit.
What
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Nah, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
Damn, that's a cold ass honky.
rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, except my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in. Bummy and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money. And I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, ah, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
What she know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What she knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Thank your granddad for donating that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her stunt. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that motherfucker. The built-in onesie with the socks on that motherfucker. I hit the party and they stop in that motherfucker. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant bitch. Shit. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella don't. Peak gang, come take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't.
Goodwill, poppin' tags, yeah.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'll wear your granddad's clothes, I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes, I look incredible.
Hey, come on, man.
I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a comer. This is fucking awesome.
Is that your grandma's coat?
1500. More.
It's like 25. Well, are you?
25.
Yeah, 21 with the wheels. Yeah.
Cool.
The first birthday casualty comes from the birthday boy. Gotta love the Florida moss. This is lava to us Florida pilots right here. This is not good. Yeah. Yeah, steak life.
Make a spot over here and do some little. Look at my props.
Get it in, bro. Yeah. Smoked sausage light, bro.
I hit a ceiling.
Oh, I see.
Did you hit the DJI ceiling?
No, the 3 like 55.
Oh.
Man, that place grew up there really fast. Like, look at all that. Wow.
Try to fly on the drone and it excuse me.
Sure.
I want to fly on this easy one. I want to play the easy one.
Nice checking out the apartment complex over there.
Yeah.
Nice.
It looks like they're making a pool.
She can go over there, can't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can fly all the way over there if you wanted
Just
to.
fly over. Just don't go too low over it. Just kind of stay high.
Yeah. She's going right into the complex. Na, 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 na.
Wanna move into the fool's gold room with my bros full of animal jewels. All the rules that you choose to use to get loose with the luminance moves. Bored of these limits, let me get it like wow. It's like right now. It's like wow. It's like right now. It's like wow. It's like right now. It's like wow. It's like right now. Oh wow. It's my life, your life. Live it once, can't live it twice. So nice, so nice.
If I had one of those, I'd be rocking that too. Oh, you're getting too far away from the phone.
You are going out of range.
I'm actually surprised by the audio output on that thing.
Yeah,
It's loud. Oh, straight up. That means give it the beans.
Yep. So go ahead and go up on this on the left stick there. Go. Push it.
Off it goes to the moon. Uh-oh, Naira's a pilot.
All right, now when you get about to there, stop it right about there. There you go.
There, flying drones. Look at this little girl, man.
Yep.
She's got a 107 licensed drone pilot with her.
There you go.
Heck yeah.
Instruction. Okay, so
Instructional left.
So now if you want to look left, take this left stick and go to the left. If you want to look right, push it to the right.
I can't see it.
Are you seeing your, what do you mean you can't see it? Can you see the...
Oh, she can't see the transmitter. That's what she's saying.
Oh, okay, sorry. So you have your left stick here.
Damn. What's up, bro?
I need 100 black covers for 100 bad men, 100 black grapes so I can lay their hair. I need 100 black preachers with a black sermon to tell from 100 black Bibles. Why we send them all to hell? I need 100 black coffins, black coffins, black coffins. I need 100 black coffins, black coffins. Oh Lord, black coffins. I need 100. I seen 100 niggas die. I put that on my life. Lord, I wouldn't tell a lie unless it had to do with mine. In the middle of the night, killers coming for your life. All he wanna do is shine. I broke off the chains, only the realest remain. See you praying to Jesus, but will that help ease the pain? Seen a brother get slain for a jar full of change. Yet I post on the block, look like I'm Big Daddy Kane. Is you a cat or a mouse? Keep them rats out the house. Lot of scars on my back, tattoos all around. 100 dead, 100 black coffins, money on his head. I'm trying to make a fortune. I need 100 black covers for 100 bad men, 100 black grapes so I can lay their hair. I need 100 black preachers with a black sermon to tell from 100 black Bibles. Why we send them all to hell? I need 100 black coffins, black coffins, black coffins. I need 100 black coffins, black coffins. Oh Lord, black coffins. I need 100. I seen 100 women burn as they stood firm. Treat a nigga like a germ. What did she do to deserve? Put me on the farm, pig's feet in a jar. Serve it to me warm. Any questions they hang them. Better pray for Django. Got me working in fields. Too many years it get fatal. All I want is my woman. Such a wonderful mother. On the days that it rained, her smile bright like the summer. My revenge is the sweetest. Bitch, cause I'm coming. Gotta die in my arms for what you did to my mother. 100 dead. 100 black coffins, 12 gauge shotgun, chest full of copper. I need 100 black covers for 100 bad men, 100 black grapes so I can lay their hair. I need 100 black preachers with a black sermon to tell from 100 black Bibles. Why we send them all to hell? I need 100 black coffins, black coffins, black coffins. I need 100 black coffins.
got the whole stack going on here. Love it. It's life, man.
Life. Let's check on the dogs here. Trying to cook them under pretty hot temperature on the outside. Oh yeah, they're coming out good. There we go. Starting to puff up and get chubby. Nice. Thick life.
Oh, that's for me? Really? Thank you so much.
Take off, sir.